So I'm making much progress with the 1930s double button carbon microphone. I've done a lot of work on it. I put new carbon granules in it and rebuilt it and cleaned it, and so we're going to actually hear the recording quality of it. I'm recording it directly onto the computer, and let's do Edison real quick. Edison's little speech. The first words I spoke in the original phonograph, a little piece of practical poetry. Mary had a little lamb, her fleece was white as snow, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. So now we hit Control A. I want to select it, so Control A. I'll just amplify it without equalizing it. Let's see what we got. So I'm making much progress with the 1930s double button carbon microphone. I've done a lot of work on it. I put new carbon granules in it, rebuilt it, and cleaned it, and so we're going to actually hear the recording quality of it. I'm recording it directly onto the computer, and let's do Edison real quick. Edison's little speech. The first words I spoke in the original phonograph, a little piece of practical poetry. Mary had a little lamb, her fleece was white as snow, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. You could tell that except for the carbon hiss, which is normal and would have been filtered out by the equipment at the time with the chokes and high filters and everything, but really it has a very good articulation in the clarity, which you wouldn't think from a carbon microphone. Carbon microphones were the type of microphones that were used in radio and television. They didn't have television yet, but in radio and recording studios in the 20s and 30s. But of course, by the early 30s, this microphone kind of took over, and that is the 44BX RCA ribbon mic, which has a warmer, deeper sound. But really, when you consider the horn speakers of the 1920s, this really would give good clarity on those horn speakers.